In the evolving world of modern interior design, where minimalism, sustainability, and authenticity reign supreme, few materials have stood the test of time like wood. More than just a structural element, wood has found renewed relevance as a medium for creating unique decorative pieces that do more than fill space, they transform it. Today, wooden decor is not only celebrated for its natural beauty but also recognized as a thriving source of profitability for artisans and makers alike. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of unique wooden decorative pieces ideas for interior home decor and profit. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. At the heart of this resurgence is a growing desire for genuine and grounded design. In a world dominated by synthetic materials, mass production, and fleeting trends, wooden decorative pieces offer something different. They carry warmth, character, and a story etched into every grain. Whether it's a handcrafted wall art panel, a sculpted candle holder, or an intricately carved mirror frame, these pieces introduce a subtle but powerful presence into any room. They don't scream for attention. They invite connection. They ask the viewer to pause, to feel, to appreciate. Wood's ability to bridge tradition and modernity is what makes it so invaluable in current decor trends. While modern interiors often lean toward clean lines, neutral tones, and clutter-free spaces, wooden accents provide the perfect balance of contrast and harmony. A minimalist living room can be instantly elevated by the addition of a walnut accent bowl or a reclaimed wood floating shelf. These touches ground the space, bringing an organic texture that feels human, earthy, and real. But beyond aesthetics, wooden decorative pieces also tap into a deeper emotional current. There is a tactile and emotional satisfaction in owning something made from natural wood. The smoothness of polished teak, the ruggedness of reclaimed oak, the warmth of maple, they each bring a different feeling into the home. Unlike mass-produced plastic or metal items, wood evolves. It ages. It deepens in tone. It reflects the life lived around it. And that dynamic quality makes it more than decor. It becomes part of the homeowner's story. This emotional resonance translates directly into demand, and with it, profitability. In recent years, the market for artisanal and handcrafted wooden decor has exploded, driven by consumers seeking meaningful, long-lasting items. Online platforms like Etsy, Instagram shops, and artisan markets have opened the doors for woodworkers and craftists to showcase and sell their work globally. From small decorative trays to elaborate wall sculptures, buyers are increasingly willing to invest in pieces that are both beautiful and responsibly made. The profitability of wooden decorative pieces lies not only in their demand, but in their versatility. A single slab of wood can be shaped into any number of items: planters, key holders, kitchen wall hangings, or centerpieces. Makers can customize pieces for different styles, from rustic and farmhouse to Scandinavian and contemporary. This flexibility allows woodworkers to cater to multiple market niches without changing their core materials or tools. For small woodworking businesses or hobbyists looking to turn their passion into income, this is a unique advantage. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, sustainability has become a key selling point. Consumers are increasingly eco-conscious, and wood, especially when reclaimed or responsibly sourced, offers a solution that's both environmentally friendly and aesthetically pleasing. Pieces made from recycled barn wood, driftwood, or fallen branches have a story that resonates with buyers who value green living. They're not just buying decor, they're buying values. This alignment with environmental responsibility adds another layer of appeal to wooden crafts and allows creators to market their work not just as beautiful objects, but as ethical choices. The handmade nature of wooden decor also adds to its allure. In a world where fast furniture and generic home accessories dominate big box stores, buyers are drawn to the imperfections and personality of handcrafted items. The slight variation in wood tones, the evidence of chisel marks, the uniqueness of each piece, these are not flaws but features. They remind us that someone took time, care, and skill to create this item. That sense of intimacy between maker and object becomes part of the final product, elevating its value both emotionally and monetarily. In modern homes, where functionality and style must coexist, wooden decorative pieces excel. They're not just showpieces. They often serve dual purposes. A carved wooden bowl is a piece of art, but it can also hold fruit or keys. A laser-etched wall hanging can be a focal point and a conversation starter. Even small touches like wooden light switch covers or decorative pegs can turn ordinary spaces into reflections of personality and taste. This fusion of form and function is exactly what today's homeowners are looking for. Practical beauty. What's also notable is how wooden decor transcends trends. While color palettes and materials come and go, metallics today, pastels tomorrow, wood remains a staple. Its timelessness is its strength. And within that consistency, there is still immense room for innovation. Modern techniques like CNC routing, wood burning, resin inlays, and geometric shaping have introduced fresh possibilities for creating cutting-edge designs with traditional materials. Artists can push creative boundaries while still maintaining the grounded essence that wood provides. The storytelling potential of wood also adds to its profitability. A maker who can share the origin of the wood, how it was salvaged from an old barn, how it once formed part of a shipping crate, or how it was shaped from locally fallen trees, offers more than just a product. They offer a narrative. And in today's experience-driven economy, stories sell. Customers aren't just buying a decorative item. They're buying the feeling it gives, the conversation it starts, and the values it represents. For interior designers and home decorators, wooden pieces offer unmatched versatility. They work in every room, entryways, kitchens, bedrooms, bathrooms, and in every style: bohemian, industrial, coastal, modern. They can be neutral or bold, subtle or statement-making. And because they age so gracefully, they add longevity to the design. A well-placed wooden feature doesn't need constant updating. It will remain relevant, beautiful, and beloved as styles evolve around it. Ultimately, the beauty and profitability of unique wooden decorative pieces stem from their balance of nature, craft, and emotion. They remind us of forests and traditions, of hands that work and hearts that create. They make our living spaces not only more visually appealing, but more meaningful. And for creators, they offer a rewarding path, one where passion meets purpose and art becomes income. As modern decor continues to evolve, wooden decorative pieces remain more than relevant. They are essential. They symbolize a return to authenticity, a celebration of craft, and a powerful way to enrich both spaces and lives. Whether displayed in a sunlit corner or proudly listed in an online store, these pieces carry a timeless truth. What is made with love lasts. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked unique wooden decorative pieces ideas for interior home decor and profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.